Well, folks, what do we have here? I just created my own custom Xbox arcade controller. It is now done. I used a clear Xbox case for an Xbox console, and as you see, you got the PCB in there, joystick and everything still attached. I can charge it. I haven't gotten any labels for the buttons, but you got the back button, the start button. You got the guide button. You got all your A, B, Y, and you got your X, your triggers, your joystick. I got the classic joystick. You see the side, front of it, sides. So, you want to see if this bad boy can work, huh? Alright, let's turn this bad boy on then. As you see, it turns on. Alright. Now, where's my game at? Let's test it out with a little Capcom versus Marvel. Marvel versus Capcom, however you want to call it.
Capcom presents Marvel Comics.
And yes, it is my controller. Nothing else doing it. Start this bad boy. As you see, the A button works. Let's go offline. Do a little training. You see the joystick. Training. I'm gonna just pick anybody. I always gotta pick my boy Dante. That's my man right there. That boy Vicious right down there. Boy Vicious. Do a little Wolverine, then we pick random all. So you see, it pretty much works. All right, let's give it a test. We got up, down, back, forwards. Then we got A. We got B. That's the call in a assist. We got X. We got left trigger. Left trigger. Now we got right trigger. I called in Wolverine. And we got Y. And we got RB. RB. Now we got LB. So as you see, everything works. And I can do a start. Then I can go back. So, as you see, it works. That's my custom controller. Made by yours truly. That's wild, man.